Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can mute several notifications from some softwares. Most people like to face the issue of having notifications from softwares they dislike or they don't use, so if you want to know how to do that, watch till the end of the video. So first let's check our notifications, and I will show you how to make them disappear. As you can see, we have notifications from settings, mail, and many more. So if you want to make them disappear, it's simple. So first click on the Start button, the Go in Settings. Then go on Display, then you will get results like this, so immediately click on Notifications. Now you slide down, you will find all our softwares that are allowed to send notification. So to disable our mail, what you have to do is to only disable this button. Now if you check on your notifications, you will see that the mail button is gone, you can't see it anywhere, and if you want it back you can enable it again. Let's try for settings. It's simple, just click on the button and disable it. Now as you can see, it officially disappeared. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe for more content.